Hey, what's up guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer and today I've got this Toshiba 5-disc DVD and CD player to show you. The model number of it is SD-K615U. But did you know that Toshiba first became a company all the way back in 1875? Yeah, so they've been around for a very long time and it's pretty crazy how long that is. Let's get into this though. On the rear panel, there is optical digital audio as well as coaxial digital audio. And then there is composite video for the lowest quality, component video for the highest quality, and then S-video. And then you also have two analog outputs for standard audio. And then to hook it up, we'll just use the standard composite video. Just match up the colors and then connect it to the analog 1 output. And then as long as you have it connected correctly, you'll get a signal to your TV just fine. So we'll go ahead and insert a DVD. And then on the front panel here, you have a power button, random repeat and clear for audio tracks. Then you have disc select buttons here. You can skip the disc with that. Zoom, exchange, EAM. And then you have your basic functions: pause, stop, skip backward, skip forward, open, close, and then play. And then this is the original remote for it. It's got all your basic functions, your CD functions. It's got a pause, step forward button if you want to go through it very slowly. Got a couple different display options. But that's pretty much all there is for this Toshiba 5-disc DVD player. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or check out our online store.